Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TP-Link Tapo smart plugs with Alexa schedules. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your TP-Link Tapo smart plug is properly set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Tapo app on your smartphone. If you haven't done so already, create an account or log in to your existing account. Once you're logged in, tap on your smart plug in the app to access its settings. Look for the schedule or timer option in the settings menu. Tap on Add Schedule to create a new schedule for your smart plug. Choose the specific days of the week you want the plug to operate. Set the time you would like the plug to turn on. Next, choose the time you want the plug to turn off. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. After confirming, tap Save to activate the schedule. Now, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Make sure that your Alexa device is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. In the Alexa app, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Add Device and then select Plug from the list of devices. Choose TP-Link as the brand of your smart plug. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your TP-Link Tapo account with Alexa. Once linked, tap on Discover Devices to find your smart plug. After Alexa has discovered your plug, you can assign a name to it for voice commands. Now, you can test the voice commands with Alexa to ensure the plug responds correctly. To create an Alexa routine, go back to the main menu of the Alexa app. Tap on More and then select Routines. Tap on the plus icon to create a new routine. Set a name for your routine, something easy to remember. Under When this happens, choose a trigger for your routine, such as a specific time. Then, tap on Add Action and select Smart Home. Choose your TP-Link Tapo plug from the list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.